Today we're making brodo vegetale.
A heartwarming, delicious vegetable broth that is perfect for cold winter nights.
Yes, and I actually make this every single week because what I love the most about this recipe, we're using our favorite Italian cookbook called Talismano della Felicità, is that the author of the book uses spinach. And spinach gives it such a rich flavor compared like to the blander.
See, it's like chewy. It's really good.
It's delicious.
I do it once every 2 weeks and then I freeze it.
Oh yeah, you can also freeze it.
No, it's super versatile. Go. Ingredients.
Celery, tomatoes, onion, potatoes, salt, carrots.
Very important. It's one.
Just one, and it adds a lot of flavor, and it's called?
A clove.
A clove. And the spinach. That's it.
Oh, no. Very important. The water.
Oh yeah, the water. And to make, we're going to be making 2 liters of broth, which require 3 liters of water.
Okay. I know.
Yes.
Okay. I'll go fill it up.
And the recipe calls, they gave a very exact proportion. For every liter of water, you put 10 grams of salt. So I have already weighed it, Benny.
Brava.
And so I'm just gonna put it in here.
1 liter. Maybe we should turn this on.
So the recipe is super simple because all you need to do is to clean. You put all the ingredients in and that's it. So let's start. Let me peel the potatoes. It says, one important thing, it says just to peel the potatoes, but to keep them whole. So that, probably because if not, they would like become...
Or maybe because of the starch. I really don't know.
Or the starch, or I'm afraid that, you know, since it has to cook for 2 hours, it would like disintegrate in the water. Let me see.
I'm nearly there.
Brava. Let me wash the tomato. Sì, vabbè. The potato. 1.
What do I have to do? Chop the onion. No, chop the onion.
No.
Sorry, peel the onion.
Yes.
And you can use this in so many ways. Like, I usually, especially when it's winter, I love to make it with pastina.
Yes.
And a ton of Parmesan cheese on top. And that's
or
dinner.
like if you're having tortellini in brodo. Also, you can use it as a base for making risotto.
Or also like when I saute my vegetables sometimes, just to give it a little more flavor, I put a couple of drops of broth in there too. So this is the, oh, I'm gonna do something really fun.
What?
I'm gonna stick the garlic clove, not garlic clove, the clove, like this.
Okay. Oh, so you don't lose it. That's
So
a
I don't
smart
lose
idea,
it.
Benny.
I know, I'm smart.
Get the tomatoes.
2 carrots. No, but stick exactly to the amount of vegetables that because the proportion for the flavor, and you'll see at the end result, the broth is going to be this beautiful color, and it's just delicious.
Look.
These we got fresh at the market this morning. You can see from the carrots. They're like, do you want me to chop off the green part? I'm like, no.
Okay, 1 celery. 1 celery. What's it called?
Celery.
Yeah, no, this.
Celery. Stalk? I have no idea. Don't ask me these questions. What do you mean, what you call it? Did you put the tomatoes in already?
No. Then I can see. Watch this.
Here, while you're at it.
Okay. Did we put all the ingredients in?
Done. We have put everything in.
Okay. So.
Now we stir with it. It's not boiling hot yet.
It's not.
You give it a stir.
It's getting hot.
Yes, it is hot.
And now all it has to do
is cook for 2 hours, covered. See you in a bit. Ready?
Yeah, I think it's ready.
It's
2 hours. Benny, do you want me to get...
Yes.
Ooh, look, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Let me go get a dish.
Yeah, because at least you can't taste it. It just looks like colored water, but at least you get to see how beautiful the color that the veggies released.
I'll show you. Look at the color. It's like this
golden green.
It's a golden green. Yes, that's exactly. Get 2 spoons, please.
Of course.
Look. Turn it off. And the secret, now I can't tilt it, but I'll try to show you. The secret of this recipe is actually the spinach.
It gives it a complete different flavor. It's rich.
And the proportion with water and salt is just like you don't have to do anything else. You just need to either drink it or add it in pasta, pastina, tortellini, risotto. So let's taste it. You're gonna get this recipe in the description below, a link to the recipe. So if you have comments, questions, just ask and we personally answer.
And remember to subscribe to our Local Aromas channel and click on the little alarm, the little bell on the side, because it tells you every time a new recipe comes out.
Buonissimo.
Veramente, cioè,
Sì, it's like meat.
hot.
It's meatish.
It's meatish. Careful. Sto bruciata la mano.